Welcome back. My name is Dr. Zia. We were talking about leadership, and this was my lecture 11. Today it's part E. So I'm going to talk about lecture number 11, part E. In this part, I'm going to talk about, rather, I'm going to pose a question. The question is why people join group. You as a leader, just comment below why do you think people join group? Why they don't want to work individually? So that's important question. All right. Here are few important reasons why people join group. Number one, some people they feel insecure. That's why they join group to feel themselves or give them a feeling of security. So that's why they join a group, because as a group they feel that they are bigger, they are more in numbers, and that's why they can be secure. Number two, maybe due to some status, they want to affiliate themselves, they want to attach some sort of status with them. That's why they join group. Number three, they join the group because maybe they feel higher, a sort of higher self-esteem attached with that group. So they want to increase their self-esteem, or as an individual, their self-esteem is low. So while after joining the group, they may feel that their self-esteem is now increased. The next point why people join the group, next reason could be affiliation. Maybe they want that the group, if they are affiliated with that, is much better, so they feel like affiliation with the group, and they feel better, they feel positive, they feel stronger to be affiliated with some group, or they want to show that they have affiliation, and simple affiliation can be an identity for them as well. They join the group because of power as well. Maybe in the group they know that as an individual they have less power, but as a group they have more power and they feel powerful. Last, why people join group, they join the group because they want to achieve some goals, they want to achieve some objectives as a group. So here in this lecture, part E, lecture number 11, I mentioned and I discussed why people join group: because of security, because of status, because of self-esteem, because of affiliation, because of power, because of goal accomplishments or goal achievement. Okay, my name is Dr. Zia. I thank you very much. See you in my next lecture. Please do not forget to press the bell icon and like.